Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to Over the Table's Random Reviews. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you take a second and click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any future videos. The giveaway I'm doing at 1,000 subscribers or the 100th video because it's going to be very majestic and you don't want to miss out on it. Now today's video, what we've got is a two-parter. The other part I'm going to be uploading tomorrow for you guys. It's going to be kind of a DIY project. But this is part of it. It's going to be a review. So basically what we've got here is a spare Slingshot band. Now this can be found on eBay for just $1, so that's pretty cheap. And the project we're going to be doing is making a slingshot with it if you don't necessarily have the handle. So I'm going to go ahead and open this thing up. Alright guys, so this is our package here. This review today should be pretty quick because of the fact that it is just reviewing the actual product and we're not going to be doing any testing with it because that is for the other video. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So there are different versions of this that do come with different amounts of bands. I believe they're all about the same price, so $1 price tag will get you this spare slingshot band. Now the $2 slingshot that I reviewed in another video has 3. I decided to go 2 for this one because I feel like it'll give us a good amount of strength, but not too much, so that way it doesn't break our handle, whatever we're going to make it out of. It's got pretty basic elastic bands. It's got these little knobs in the end, just like that other slingshot band did, so that way that happens. It's supposed to go and be a spare for a certain type of slingshot, but we're going to make a slingshot. So for $1 we are going to make a slingshot. No extra expenses, just stuff that you can find. It does seem like it's made of decent quality. This back here, as you can see, this hole wasn't punched through all the way, but came right out. So there you go. So it's got holes in it, which gives you, I guess, a little bit more airflow when it comes to the acceleration of the back as the slingshot slings forward. So that's nice. I figured 2 bands would be better than 1 band because it'll give us extra grip on whatever we attach it to, just to give it that extra bit of sturdiness, so that way nothing goes wrong, because we're probably going to be tying it on. So I guess this is about all I can review on it. It seems like it's decent quality. We're going to have to really find out when we do make our $1 slingshot, and that's coming up in the next video, guys, so look out for that. And until then, this is the $1 slingshot band. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this very short little review of this pretty cheap product for $1 on eBay. I'll put the link in the description. Make sure you look out for the next video because we're going to be doing a project and making a slingshot with this, so you want to stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button, smash the bell icon so you don't miss out. Remember, I'm doing a giveaway. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Have a great day, everybody, and don't get shot.